stumbling block in my life. Them no want to we strive. One day at a time, Jah give more blessing. Even in abundance, sorry, ain't got nothing. Still I call for me king. It's more blessing. Give thanks, life, loot, and fair represent the mindset.
Blessed love, manners, and respect. Do give thanks and praise for life. This is the Mindset Program. I just started your host, and I'm here. It's a great honor to be here with the Honorable Muta Baruka.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Rastafari.
Yes, sir, give thanks. First and foremost, I want to congratulate you on your lifetime achievement.
Yeah, I respect.
Yes.
But we don't get it yet.
We don't get it yet.
No, the 24th.
The mindset, thought provoking, you know. I'm your host, Honorable Ija Star, and we're there with our brand new mindset series live on the YouTube. Subscribe, Ija Star Mindset channel, YouTube. Blessed love.
Blessed love, manners and respect. Give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. I don't know one more day above ground, and we're giving thanks enough for that. That are the greatest position. I want to greet the item in the divine name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of God, light of this world, Empress Menen the First. Yes, we're there with our honorable brother Warieka Hill, Warieka Hill TV. I want my general.
There, brother. There, you know.
Yes, I am. Good for see the man, you know.
Yes, I give thanks, Rasta. Yeah, man.
Yes, I. Yeah, man, do your thing like what you normally do, man, you know. How the thing go.
Boy, the disaster, me there I watch. We are going in the Caribbean recently, you know.
Disaster.
And Haiti. Well, I know great disaster from Jamaica side of such compared to Haiti. And what Haiti always I go through. You know? But me no know, you see, we look on things, we have to look on things say, like me that say, nature protect Mother Earth, you know.
Yeah.
You know, see. And so we mankind not in touch with nature right now. None at all. You know, see. So it's more time nature react to protect itself from all evil us too. And protect all I and I too.
True.
You know what go on in Haiti. Me know so the man them did have a thing what them call the harp. What me they had done about a couple years ago. See? Where the man them can use that and create replicate natural disasters like earthquake and hurricane and them type of thing there. You know, see?
Yeah, man.
So, me not take that from mankind so that can be a man-made thing. We are going cause I see somebody ask, I can't remember where, but somebody asked a pivotal question in this whole thing, yeah. You know, see? Haiti and Dominican Republic are the same island, you know. Just part in it. See?
True.
And none of this thing affect Dominican Republic.
How comes?
Any at all, Rasta. You see, so
suspicious.
Yeah. It's a whole heap of cause concern there, so. You see?
May I tell her?
You see, you chaos maintain a certain agenda in the earth here. Same thing go on in Jamaica, go on in America, go on over here too. But you see in Britain now, I control chaos.
Chaos.
Yeah, control chaos cause.
May I tell her?
When certain sporting event, when certain big international event are going where matters to the people them somewhat.
Yeah.
At them time them enact certain changes where affect the same people them. But the people them, if the people them did attentive to them action there at the time, you see some level of resistance at least. You see, but because them distracted somewhat, them it get through without any form of contest. You see it a lot of times. See that are in them control society. Yeah. See
True.
places like Haiti now. I want to tell you, Haiti more. I feel like the Asian people are more of a unit, a unified, a more relaxed approach to opposing parties in an election when things cool without, them amongst them one another. Because look at, reason why I'm saying that, enough people are open and say Asian rise up all the while, chop up one another, kill one another, and them things. But look at, when the election and nothing go on and the suffering go on, everybody peaceful though.
Everybody.
And usually some influence come in. We don't have credit it to just outside influence, but something pop up where create a device and a divide. And you know what I say? And the people go against one another. See? Time after time. But politically, see, which is where, which is the critical where the management come from in a politics. See how you manage corrupt politics is when you have a politically liberal group ideally. When I two die-hearted in a one thing, but them just have, me I say, yeah, we're a fan and we love that, but it's not like say it's personal if you now work right. We can consult with one another. And I like Jamaica, with Jamaica go on like say them, the Jamaica turn a blind eye to every evil deal for them party do. You know, see?
For real.
So, in the sense of, it's harder to divide them and keep them chaotic politically like that. So what them have to do is starve them people, and always have them sort of thing. You know, see, because it's like them people, no matter which party in a power, if you're not deal right, them will revolt against you and turn it, you know what I say, and kick you out.
Yeah.
You know, see, and when the time that comes, like the whole country come together and move towards politicians, you know, see, you hardly see them thing there anyway, especially in a black community. You know, see, so I feel like them have much of a device to show too much chaos from for them standpoint or for them agenda, for push their agenda in the Haitian mind frame of such, especially like Jamaica. You see, so them little thing here, it's a possibility say them little thing here for them way of keeping the Haitian people. I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna terms it like this just for the political understanding. When we say distracted, the people that suffer and it's hard and it's terrible. People dying, you know, see, but again, is another way of keep them distracted from the true matter of government. You understand what I say?
For real.
In our Jamaica now, are the cheapest thing for happen. Them not have to spend no money for that happen in general. You see, our youth, them just love war and kill off one another. Them not have a political focus. You see.
The politician them. The politician them remember, them a do them thing, and them know how them a benefit, You see it. And it now go be enough for them interest that the youth them were a foot soldier for them. See?
Yeah.
Them not for clued up on a certain level. See? And have certain overstanding about certain thing because once them overstand certain things, then it'll go hard for really. Alright, a perfect example, Zin, is the show Shatters. Right?
Yeah.
You remember the scene where after the night when the police them rush the man them pan the corner, shoot up the corner, Zane kill couple youths, Spragga Benz the next day them then ends and Spragga Benz decides say boy him a go call the politician boy. Zane.
Yeah.
And when him call the politician boy and the receptionist say boy, who is this speaking? And Spragga Ben said, tell him Detective Lang.
Yeah.
Zane. And when the politician pick up the phone and he must say, boy, Detective Lang, how come we can't see none of them virgin are pronounced as the virgin were supposed to get liquid. Wagwan. Yeah. And now when him find out, say, boy, it's not Detective Lang, is on the other side of the line. It is the actual man where him pay Detective Lang for liquid.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
No. You see, it not for be in the interest of them virgin where a foot soldier, because them man there was a foot soldier for the politician there. The politician there use them ones there, in the community to do certain things, Zin, for benefit.
No, because you want, You them no money, I don't feel like you them are here. It's the you want, You them, it's the you them selfish. See? I selfish. I just that thing there beat I community. The black community.
Them are selfish, them supposed to make all for money then. Why? Them are selfish.
Them alone. and what them make up what them not realize say a packaging them make look at now. What a politician do, when it come election time, my general. Alright. Here's a scenario. Furthermore, it's not a scenario, it's a real thing. See? My virgin roll with a politician woman. Go Maple. See? During the campaign. During the election campaign.
One who passed that.
Eh?
The one who passed Ghana.
No, the election before that one. See, when she reached a Maple, a PNP corner she go up on, because she a PNP. See? When she reached a Maple, them stop on her ends and look down a lane. When them look down a lane, them say, some you pose off down there, burn them spliff. That's not normal. Yes, a politician not the area, say everybody come see what can go on. All of them not agree with the politician there. You see, man come try advice, him opinion or whatever. So man, that brother is still my stepper. See? There's no politician always have a couple steps amongst them. So that day, all hear them are going on attack. So him observe the energy. See? So him now walk, go down there to the youth them. And I say, oh, walk, go on. Because I realize that them youth here are the man them there in other place. You see? I said, wow, go on. That's man, I say, oh, there, but the vibes, the energy where the youth them give him still is not very welcoming. You see it, and him know a PNP place, and him a PNP and PNP whole thing. So, him suspects that the youth them go there just want a money or something. See? So, him go back up the MP and make sure what go on and thing and the whole thing and and him take up a mail. See? In a bag and carry go down there for give them for split up, because campaign them a campaign and that area here look like it definitely not alright, because if them youth here. See, when I'm going down with the mail, my general, and adding the mail to the youth them. It's like the group of youth I look on it like a like where I go with that. Me I say type of thing. And take up a bag and show them 10 million in it and say, yo, I'm to now, bro, God, you just give me this, when I go with that. See, that's the man feel a way. the way the man feel that way, the man say, yo, why not? None of like this a drink me good and I'll push it on them see me and a man not take it, my fair push it to a youth where just you know what I say? In order for left it for them embarrass himself so that he can go back up to his part of the MP there and think again, if you have to go back up that with the to the MP there with $1 million, they go show us say, oh, the man them don't want it. MP vibes, dead MP want to cut, she know like she know what time of day it is. You know see? So essentially what play out there so is that you them disenfranchised right through the year, you know, by politics and politicians and them lies. You know see? See? So when election time come, you know, politicians just go bribe them a flat money one time. See? And that now make them show favor and likeness and allow the politician to apply the rest of him lie in the community, you know, see it and all. You intimidate the community to support such politician as well, and when the community not really like that I want to do that. You know, see, so the gunman them is an essential part of the politician them power base and power structure. You know, see, but what the gunman them don't know so now is that you see, if them never did keep that level of chaos there, the people them would have demand more. People would have a voice to demand more, and politicians would have to furbish more because imposition would be threatened. They say, oh, imposition threatened, and no one get vote out, no one lose the seat. After all, the demands of the people that ask for can be met because the money that in the budget, in the coffers and all of them things, we don't know where the money they go a year time, you know. But them go anyway. You see? So the money there. And it would have spent the 100 million there to spend. See, but what them do? Push that in for them pocket and save a 20 million for the gunman them when election time come. See? Now, if the gunman them did allow the 100 million their demand, or allow, you know, develop the demand or the protest for the accruement of the money there, you'd realize that now at least 40% or even 30%, so well in a 30 million, they would end up with for share. Rather than a 20. You know, see? And in a most cases, enough of them know that. See? But through the selfish, you know, carefree way, and again, when you give, most of the poor people them demand as well might not coincide with the survival level of the stepper, the gunman them, not the stepper, the gunman. Because people them go to want light and infrastructure and them thing there. And them thing there, they might not to lie. You know, see, me don't know why or how that work. You know, see, but yeah, deprivation of the community, them not sick of more side in a lot of cases. You ask them for them ambition. Them want to fly out.
True.
You know, see, them not have no community spirit, no community development at heart. You know, see, it is like the youth, them grow for hate, them surrounding to a point where they want to destroy. They want to make it worse. Them not try the effort, them better whatsoever. For, you know, because again, a whole heap of infrastructure dead. Even though you know have no social support for develop, but the community have it and it benefit them. It's not like so well then the social support. It don't really benefit it as such. That is just a structure, a body, something just went there. You know, see, people there so we get affected by the gully them will black up physically. See? By sitting down and waiting for politicians and them people if come sidewalk them and them look type of thing that when you know say them nah do it. Even though when you do it, again, it's like you're fighting cockroaches fall or you know what I say, cause the money where them for spend on it. Them have the money where for spend on it and the thing come like you spoil them when you do it yourselves too. You
But
see, so
them something there are basic still, you know, them thing they are basic thing, you know, cause the drainage, Zaid, when you look upon the flooding we are going now in a Jamaica, the drainage system, them something there is basic. Them thing they shouldn't overflow that
every
and
year.
as every year, because last year are the same thing. Zane.
Yeah. No,
This
from
year,
JP coming up power, me gonna say this.
this year,
From
this
JP
year
coming
are the
up power
same
is like
thing.
every year Jamaica flood out.
Every year.
From JP coming up, from this money around the system. People are saying political, but as someone may observe Rasta and the politics, it can't be political because I'm a Rasta. Yeah, we're political, but a Rasta, and my politics, Rasta. My politics on the GLP or PNP, that would be big hypocrisy.
Yes,
And people
sir.
keep confusing this whole thing and say, me I take side. My side don't take my side upon my head. You see it every day, Rasta. You hear me say it when every program start. There's no doubt. Rasta is not a joke thing we come here for. Dibby pet it up. Rasta have all intention for army and police, Rasta army and them thing. The government thing, you know, it's not a petty thing or a dibby
No,
thing
it's
where
not
they
a
are like
small
about
thing.
kind of wait from Babylon to come help we and deliver we, you know. You see? So Rasta my politics. So when me have a bun, them little media craft type of rule of it, and some little guy, you know, where I get for them little check. I jump in at the comment section, I come talk about Rasta politically, I take side. Man, you know, I kind of hear that thing that on the blind. No disrespect, but you don't know. Side take Rasta. So when man see certain things, I could know with which one of them party they in there. From them and play a certain way.
The reality
You
is,
see?
a man have to take your right side. You see me I say? A right side a man have to take, you know, whether it be JLP or PMP, to I, none of them they are on the right side. Them look all the left
Them on
side.
the right side.
You see me I
How can
say?
you talk about PNP and now to another PNP in a power Rasta? How can you what
You see me?
what PNP have to do with all of this?
But hey,
Wow.
but I want to tell you a thing, you know. You see, at the government, you know, Zena, even though it might be a different party, the all of them were there they make up the government of Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
From the JLP to the PMP.
PNP definitely quiet. It's
Yeah,
like
because you what? Because them a play for them role, you know. Them already I get for them cut, you know. Because every month, you see, every money where the government now that is in power get, them still get a cut out of it to said way, you know. Them still have to get a share, you know. You see what I say?
Yeah,
because
so that's what we not talk against certain things, man, because
exactly.
them get for them bribe. Already me hear Damian Crawford make a speech. You see, and in that speech there's some serious inference making of that, you know.
See.
I don't know if you listen it.
Crawford speech, you know, so me see it a go around about the place. I see it go around about the place, but I don't get a chance to listen it.
Sure, I must say the Prime Minister have 200 billion for share up in a Rasta. What you call relief funding, you know.
Alright, hold on there. As I said that, you know. Go and talk still, because I just have to get up, I just get some information, yes, as I said that, you know. I see them did get some a whole heap of money run drought this time, you know. From last year to now, you know, a whole heap of food.
The people them where I struggle. Nah, see, me not see here, right? Me not see, because them youth out there, a campaign, them a save it for go run in the next election in the rest.
Alright.
You know, see, and a back orders at the people them. Me not say. And again, some at that and next thing again, people comment and say, "I man, we now tell the people them to follow the rules." we are and I'm firing some people they attack all them things they in a Rasta. You
Okay,
see, that what me I
but
try
what
to
kind of
tell that
rules they're talking
I'm
about? The
not the
rules.
people not follow rules, but again, when you try to compare them to what go on in America and Britain, I hear that thing.
Mm.
Because Britain and America, people that Britain and America when I have to come out of the mouse Rasta. Ghetto people me I talk about. Them just phone the supermarket I go online. You know, see it and supermarket come deliver goods at them door.
True.
See? You have food charities out there. You have food, all
Food
sort of
bank.
charity for them. Yeah, food bank where them can go collect up anything where them short in them house and things like that. You know, see it. It's different for Jamaican people. Over here, car payment gets suspended until further notice and all them things there. Mortgage gets suspended until further notice. Nothing now, I think them suspension they lift by now, you know. You know, see, but I think for about a year or for over a year, them thing there, it are going for people over here. You know, see, companies get subsidies from the government that them can pay them workers 80% of them wage what them usually get while them they home, you know.
Yeah,
See?
man.
And do can work from home. And all them could think that them facilitation they not there for nobody at Jamaica. Whether you see a little teacher come on the thing Rasta, say she a teach in her backyard and people are complaining and police are come for drive with the student them and them thing there. And she have to do this to make her money because teacher now get no money. No, say a lockdown. I said then wait. The profession them way, like the professional them where now really work through coronavirus, them now get paid. So I said look at the teacher them now get them check still. Like them check cut off.
And not only the teacher them alone, all the police them now get paid. You know look like because I see a video of there. Me upload a video. I think either early today. Sometime in the day me upload a video there and the police them pull over some tourists. Zane. And at the same time when him pull over the tourists them, him ask the tourists them if them not do no good deeds today since them been out or since them there in Jamaica, what type of good deeds them do. Now, I don't know why that should be any of his business as a police officer, what kind of good deeds the people them do. But you know, when him a say that is a piece of food him want. You see me as a? It's a piece of food him a look. But why on earth should him be looking a piece of food as a civil servant, you know, a government worker? You're supposed to be getting a good, decent wage. See, you shouldn't harass the tourists them. Not even tourists, you know, the tourists them, yeah, them are gonna get lick, yes. But even the local people them, I saw them are prey upon the local people them, virgin. The local people them. You see me, I say?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna have to give them a mask. You know, if you get caught outside COVID, the curfew, saying, you know, want to go to jail.
Jamaica police never need COVID for corrupt that way.
You have to pay a piece of food, bro.
To COVID, them now get paid. More wonder about the fireman them. Them boy, they don't need no pandemic for them corrupt them corrupt already. And again, still we now knock them. See, because we know say the rate of work and the wages it no match up. You know, see, so we know say, yeah. You know, see, again, the incentive no match the task type of thing. I'm give Jamaica police that. See, me now say again, a man not for balance and make some sacrifice. Because sacrifice have to make some. Oh, but them another head at the table. See, so you see, principle and manners trickle down seeing from the head come down, somebody have to stand up and be an example, Rasta. See, in order to get that level a reaction from whoever you try, you impress that man has the pan. You know, see, and the leader them corrupt to a wheel, all right. Look, man, and sing that thing the other day, my brother. See, Rastas are good. See,
all on the far right, before the eye go there, so, Zane, before the eye go there, so. Cause make we just clear up the money thing, cause all the money the government get, you know. See, from the World Bank, watch out. It has said World Bank provide US 150 million for resilient COVID-19 recovery in Jamaica. Canada donate, I don't know how 100% these how accurate these things are. Zane, Canada donate to Jamaica 11.3 million towards COVID field hospital in Jamaica. Zane, what is it now? The IMF exclusive board approved a US 20 million disbursement to Jamaica to address COVID pandemic. The United States announced additional 44 million in assistance to Jamaica COVID.
Over 200 million already, you know, brother.
See? So you see what go on. If these things are accurate things, then if are accurate something there, then where all of them, what those money are going into, all the people them get no relief. Why they ain't get it? Why the thing now better for them? Because all for millions and billions and something they say, all for money that, so that's supposed to just, give back to some of the poor people them, at this time, because even the pastor them a ball and say, right now, a little bit of money the people them a throw a week time in the offering part, so you must know.
Really a ball, Rasta.
Yeah, tell ya.
Hold on,
Yeah, tell ya.
So how we get involved in this, right? Rasta? Oh, him and same thing get involved in this. Them people are vampire, Them people are dilated vampire, Rasta. But anyway,
May I tell her, my brother, the thing serious. The thing serious.
I get involved and I say even film offering cut.
Yeah, man.
So I say, what one government do? What they do? Somebody should just tell him to shut up, Rasta, at least.
Rasta, yo.
And the media don't play the media put that out there in the public. That's a little chaos. So it just cast a while ago. Because we don't want a decent streaming and then the media throwing the past. One thing, the past of the film clown is it. Somebody just pay him to do that in the midst of the whole.
Is it? Yes,
somebody just pay him to feel bad for himself, Rasta. You see?
Yeah, pastor, them are
man, that's how our politics go to Jamaica, man. You see it. 200 million. Nobody not hear nothing about that or with that gun or what them intend to do with that. Them are wait till election. Election next year, a year after next. About 2 years from now. I'm still can't save the money then. You see it.
I want them to run the money upon the people,
Yeah, the people them for know so they're for them. And demand. See, I demand the people them behave in a certain way and do nothing for and you get help. Where you can help the people. You say I get a slice of pizza now if you go take a injection and everything.
Yes.
But, know.
Yes, my people. Hey, watch out. We are take a short intermission, you know, and we are go forward pan the rebound, you know, my people. So, you don't know if for the first time when I tune in on the platform, them, yeah, you just hit them subscription bell there, and you don't know whenever time we there again, the item will get notified. Now, so you go Warieka.
Yes, sir. Share, like, and subscribe, man. See? And energize the reasoning. See? Give thanks. Give thanks.
Yes, I Rastafari. And the program powered by Black Star International Media, Houston, Texas. Large them up every time. See? Yes, I.